Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the functions of the PC software. The interface is divided into 4 parts, including servo control area, action list, action group setting area, and deviation setting area. Okay, let's begin with the servo control area. This is the servo ID, and the slider below can be used to adjust the servo angle. The value here is the current angle of the servo. The bottom slider is used to adjust the deviation. And before moving the slider, you need to click Read Deviation button first. Okay, you can drag the slider to control the specific servo. Reset the servo first. You can click the slider or press the left and right key. Or directly input the value here to set the servo angle. After setting the angle, click Add Action. Then, this action is added to the action list. 1 refers to the serial number of the action. 1000 represents the time taken to execute this action. Behind the time are the angle value of the corresponding servos. Continue, check the functions of the action group setting area. Here, you can change the time taken to execute this action. For example, change it as 500, then click Update Action. In the action list, the time of this action is updated. Total duration refers to the total time taken to execute all the actions on the action list. For example, click Add Action to add a new action to the list. Then the total duration changes to 1 second. There is a little box behind the duration. If you tick the box, the time will be locked. For example, set the time as 1000 and tick the box behind. Then you can click the action on the list. Because the duration is locked, it will not change to 500 when you click the action on the list. But if you don't tick the box, the duration will change to corresponding value when you click the action. After clicking Menu button, the servo will be powered off, and you can directly drag the servo to design action. After that, click Read Angle, then this action will be added to the action list. If you want to delete some action, you can select the action and click this button. Insert Action button is used to insert an action in front of the selected action. If you want to change the order of the actions, you can click Action Upward and Action Down. Having completed the action editing, you can click Save Action Files to save this action group. Pay attention, the action group files should be kept in action set folders. After the action file is saved, you can click Open Action File to find this action. Integrate Action File button is for integrating several action files. And this action file is added to the end of the action list. Click Run to let JetHexa run this integrated action group. If you want to make JetHexa perform this action group repeatedly, you can take Loop. In the drop-down menu of the action list, you can select the built-in action groups. Then click Run Action to make JetHexa move. If you want JetHexa to stop, click this button. Erase Single represents the selected action group will be deleted, and all erase indicates that all the action group in this drop-down menu will be deleted. Lastly, move to the deviation setting area. As JetHexa's deviation is adjusted before delivery, There's no need to adjust the deviation by yourself, unless the server works abnormally. Okay, for how to edit an action group on PC software, check the next video.